Hi, good afternoon. I'm so excited, so happy right now that I have completed watching all the films and scoring all the films of two rounds of the Filmfreeway Film Festival, that is Deauville Film Festival for the Young Creative Awards. In the first round, I had to watch 55 films and score them, obviously. And on the second round, I have watched uh, 13 new films and previous two films, including them, total 15 films. I'm really so excited. I can review it like they're totally inclusive and mixed media there. There are children's films based on the children's stories, and they are acted by the children. There are adult stories, there are animated films, nature based, and social stories. So uh, all from all over the world, the films are submitted there. I really found it. This is rare. They have created spaces for every corner of the world filmmaker. So I really love it. Love the festival, and yeah, Filmfreeway Deauville Film Festival is it's based in France, but the process is selection process is online. So I'm one of the juries. I'm really grateful to the team to include me for giving me the opportunity of watching global films. I love films. I really enjoyed, and um I am really grateful to the film festival team. One thing I found this year, the reflection of unrest situation in the every corner of the world is reflected through the films as well. But I love them. I love those films which actually convey the positive message finally, because this is my life's ethics that whatever struggle I do or anyone does in his journey level, but the end must be positive. So I prioritize that ethics mostly. So yeah, the technical sides, obviously, those are the things we have to count as a jury, and the social issue or including the environmental issue. I prioritized which film contains the finally the positive message for the viewers or for the all over the global viewers. So I'm really happy for the festival team, and I wish them best for upcoming festival arrangement and the next following year's festivals, and best wishes for the filmmakers. Please make more films, because films says the stories of the world. These are the documentation how the world is going on. So this is the depiction of every corner. So please make more films, and my best wishes for all of you. Thank you so much.